In this presentation, we will learn how to declare and initialize pointers in C. So let's get started. General syntax for declaring a pointer variable is as follows. We first have to specify the data type, then the star, and then the name of the pointer. Here the data type refers to the type of the value that the pointer will point to. Please remember that pointer variable does not have its own data type because it always contains the address of some other object, right? As it always points to some other object, therefore the data type of that object we have to mention over here. Okay? So here the data type simply refers to the type of the value which is being pointed by the pointer variable. For example, if we specify something like this, int star ptr, it simply means that ptr pointer will point to an integer value. Similarly, if we specify something like this, char star ptr, this means that ptr pointer will point to a character value. And if we mention something like this, then this means ptr pointer will point to a float value. Okay. Now after understanding how to declare a pointer variable, let's now try to understand how to initialize a pointer variable. Simply declaring a pointer is not enough at all. We have to initialize a pointer variable before using it. One way to initialize a pointer is to assign address of some variable. If we have a variable, then we can assign the address of that variable with the help of address of operator. We will understand how the address of operator looks like with the help of an example. Suppose we have this variable x and it contains value 5. Let me pictorially represent this variable x over here. I am representing the variable x with the help of this box, and inside this box we have this value 5. And because a variable is always representing a memory location, therefore it must have some base address, and the base address of this variable x is suppose 1000. Okay? And suppose we have this pointer variable as well, which is pointing to some integer value. And let me pictorially represent this pointer over here. Pointer is also a variable, therefore it will acquire some memory. And let's say the base address of that memory location is 2000. Okay? ptr equals to ampersand of x. Here ampersand means the address of operator. This statement says that assign the address of variable x to this pointer variable. Address of x is 1000. With the help of this statement, we can assign this address to this pointer variable. This means that we can now point to this particular location where this value 5 is stored. Okay? Let me repeat this once again. ptr equals to ampersand x means assign address of variable x to this pointer variable ptr. After assigning the address of variable x, we can point to this variable x with the help of this pointer variable. Okay? Also, we can write all these lines in one single line. There is no requirement of mentioning all these lines separately. We can write all these lines in a single line. We can say that this is equivalent to this. We can clearly see that the data type of variable x and this pointer variable is same. Therefore, we can write these two lines in one single line. Also, this line is an assignment statement. Instead of writing this line separately, we can write this statement at the time of declaration. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this presentation.